Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can verify your site ownership using the Google Search Console on WordPress. So let's get right into it. First, what you're going to need is the SiteKit plugin by Google. So just go over into your marketplace, search for it, just enter SiteKit, and the first option will be the Google Sitekit. I can't install it. I don't have the business plan, so just upgrade to it if you don't have it, then install it and activate it, and then we can go over and actually start using it. Now, what you need to do is to connect to the Google Search Console, which you can do by verifying with an HTML tag. You just need to visit the Search Console homepage and sign in, and then click on Add a Property. Then you'll be presented with a select property type, which you can use as either a domain or a URL prefix, and you need to enter your WordPress.com website's domain address. You need to include the HTTPS without the www, and then select Continue, and that is if you select the URL prefix method. Then on the next screen, to verify the ownership, just scroll down to Other Verifications and select HTML tag. And then once you're there, you can also download the file, upload it through an FTP client to your site, and then verify it like that. However, I do recommend HTML tags. So just download or just copy the tag. Just find the Google code, which looks like this. And then once you get that, you just need to copy it into the head section of your site. Before the first body section, you do need to have the option to edit your HTML. So just click copy next to this. Open up a new tab, go to Tools, Marketing, or Jetpack Settings, click on the Traffic tab at the top, and then Site Verification Services, and locate the box for Google, paste in the code that you just copied under Google, and click Save Settings, and then you can go back to the Search Console, click Verify, and that's pretty much it. You can also use DNS records. However, I do recommend you use the Google Search Console tag or the HTML tag, so I do recommend that as opposed to any other way. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.